What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? Today we're looking at one of my favorite postcards. This is a Target postcard. Today's postcard review is sponsored by Cold Brew. Cold Brew coffee. Enjoy it cold. Let's dive in. So the reason I love this is the front side of this Target postcard. The reason I love this is they've got a unique image variable of the thing that I bought, right? I bought this HGTV. HGTV. That's not what I meant. I bought the Samsung TV. I'm sorry, I got confused there. And it says my name too. So thanks for your recent purchase, Sam. So that's great personalization right off the bat. Here are other items that people that bought this thing have purchased, right? So they know what's relevant to me, and that's really, really important. So they use Target's algorithm to be able to send this postcard. The other good thing is they're giving me a discount here for buying this thing. So it's a perfectly timed upsell, and they know, hey, most people that buy this are going to want a sound system, they're going to want a mount, and they're going to want an HDMI cable. So this is fantastic. They've got discounts here. I would say that the only thing is that there's no call to action on this side, which let's see if the other side brings that in. Let's take a look. Redeem at your local Target store. Perfect. This is the action, right? This is the call to action. And the great thing here is they've got a unique barcode, so you can scan it into Target system, and they know that you came from the postcard. So this is perfect tracking. You cannot redeem this without bringing the card in and scanning the code. So they've got amazing tracking here. And then they do unique directions from your house to the nearest Target. So I have to admit, Scout stole this idea from Target. So we actually do unique directions per postcard. It's built into our platform. And they've got the address here. So in case I wanted to use another system, I can do that. One thing that I would have liked to have seen here is a QR code that actually gets me directions in Google Maps. So we actually include this. So you can just point your phone at a QR code. These work in any camera app on any modern smartphone. So that way you can get directions right away, and you can track if someone got directions. So I moved the camera there. So if you know who got directions, you can then follow up with those people if they didn't take action. Hey, Jordan, and Target probably has their email. Hey, Jordan, I noticed that you didn't take action here. What do we need to do to make this easy for you? We do this with our campaigns. We'll send people a list of all of the postcard scans that happen because we generate unique QR codes per card. So then what you can do is have your sales reps write physical letters to those people. Hey, Jordan, I'm Dan. I work at Swell Energy, one of our customers, and I noticed that you might be interested in a free battery from the state of California, free Tesla home battery. Let me know if you want to chat. Here's my personal cell number. This is a really good tactic if you know who took interest on the first campaign, is that you just go wild and go way, way personal. So you can either send them handwritten notes, you can send them physical packages, which is another kind of cool trick. You can send them a FedEx package that folks have to sign for so you know if they got it. There's a bunch of things that you can do once you track and know who converts. But the gist is, this Target postcard is amazing, and actually we built a lot of tools inside of Scout Studio, which is our Send with Scout is my company, and we can do a lot of this personalization here, personalized by image, text, the barcode stuff. We don't have the barcode stuff. We've got QR codes, but this is a really, really great postcard, and it's really important to remember that you want to think about the pain that your customer is experiencing. And in this case, it's like they know what most people that buy this HGTV are going to buy next. And that's really important to keep your customer in mind. Congratulations, you've just learned a little bit more about designing a great postcard marketing campaign. See you tomorrow.